Hi loves, how are you guys doing today? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to those that's been rocking with me. Welcome to those that are new. Today's video we are going to be doing a red velvet cake. Now, I have never made a red velvet cake before. I have never even eaten a red velvet cake before. But it was my son's birthday party. It was my son's birthday. And he wanted me to make him a cake. And I was like, son, you sure you don't want me to go and buy you a cake? And he was like, no, I want you to make it. And I want a red velvet cake. So I was like, all right, cool. Let me see what I can do. So this what this video is about, me making this red velvet cake. Now it's just a regular boxed red velvet cake, but it did come out very good. The family enjoyed it. My son, he enjoyed it. But like I said, I've never even had a red velvet cake before, so I'm not really sure like what it's supposed to taste like. Like, what is red velvet? Is it red? Is it velvet? What is the flavor? Like, what is the flavor of it? Is it vanilla or is it just like red? Like, cause it was good, but it just tasted like cake. So if any of you guys can tell me like what flavor red velvet is supposed to be, please drop a comment below and let me know if you guys know. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share the video if you like. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
shelter. Don't leave me